Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the new Kama Ayurveda All Natural Makeup Remover. So this is the product and we're going to see a demo with this remover in just a bit. Product comes in a flip top packaging. I have a little bit of it onto my palm. I'm going to rub my palms together and apply this directly onto my face. I'm wearing some makeup including waterproof mascara, and I'm going to just gently apply this all over my face. It has a creamy balmy texture. It gets applied to your skin very easily and it starts breaking down your makeup right from the point of application. As you can already see, most of my lipstick is already off. It has a nice floral fragrance thanks to the essential oils of rose and jasmine which are already there in the product. This is an all natural makeup remover which melts. This is an all natural product and it helps remove all traces of makeup, leaving your skin softened and hydrated. So once I'm done with the application of the product, I like to take some water and apply it to the face to further emulsify the product and break down all of the makeup so that it is much easier to remove towards the end of the makeup removal process. So here I've taken some water and I'm applying it to my face, gently breaking down any last traces of makeup that are there on my face. The good thing about this product is that it does not sting your eyes at all, unlike other creamy makeup removers. It is also 100% natural formulation. It is gentle on your skin, it is good for sensitive skin also, and it has a nice blend of organic oils such as olive oil, jojoba oil, castor seeds oil, and shea butter. It is good for those with dry skin too, and all these oils together, they give your skin a nice sheen. Now, I mostly remove my makeup when I'm in the bathroom over the wash basin, but for the purpose of this video, I'm going to demonstrate it over here, sitting in my bedroom. So I usually like to take some more water, usually splash my face with water and dissolve or emulsify the makeup further and remove it. And I'm going to show you the proof on a cotton pad here, which I've already soaked in water. So you can see here that a lot of the eye makeup got removed in just one swipe. I'm going to further remove all of this makeup and show you the complete results at the end of the whole process. From what you can see here, all of my makeup got removed with just one cotton pad. I usually like to just wash my face with a face wash and not use a cotton pad when I'm not using any waterproof makeup, but it depends on what you want. It's all up to your preference. These days I've been using the Kama Ayurveda Sensitive Skin Cleansing Foam. This is a nice one for those of you who have sensitive skin, and I like to just wash my face with this one, pat it dry and apply my night cream, and that's about it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, do give it a big thumbs up. Do let me know if you want to see more such videos, and do subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.